If you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not gonna run, say.
Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create this beautiful protective style.
TV, lifestyle, clothing, hair and more. Ronsay, TV, June heavy.
Money, baby.
After washing my hair is so dry, and I'm going to use some olive oil and just add onto my hair before I start with this style. And I'm just gonna go ahead and comb my hair through. So now I'm just going to go ahead and section the hair. I'm making sure that I get my pattern straight.
The way I see you, I got no me heart. The one I'm in life, number one I'm in chat. I like you one thing, they behave like cats. People and they talk, got no listen, I liar. You know the one who can control me heart, yo. Taking a free tongue, I cry in a jar. Anything you want, girl, I go buy ya. Yeah, I swear I go buy ya. Relax, let nobody in no fool you. I like no konong, kiramundo bang one.
So after sectioning the hair, I'm going to now go ahead and just make a braid in the back, just to keep the hair on the side separated from the hair down in the front, because now I'm about to go start doing this style. So as you can see, I'm left with this hair on the front pattern, and now I'm going to use this Shine&Jam gel. And first I'm going to just put a little bit on the sides of my head, because I want these edges to just stay right where they're supposed to be. Right there. And now I'm going to section the hair again. I'm gonna leave one half on the one side and another half on the other side.
Because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand where I feel. Because baby, me and you no one. We no go ever stop this love of anyone. Because me mama don't tell me say for make I left you. Me papa don't tell me say for make I left you. But no, I see there with you.
So what you see me doing here is just parting the hair and leaving a small amount in the middle. I am going to add some Shine&Jam gel to it and just contour braid the hair till the center.
Oh yeah, I no go leave you for nobody. I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover.
Let go, baby. You they make I they cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you they make I they cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You did for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You they make I they cry, baby. You don't look the same, baby.
So now that I'm done braiding the contour, I am now going to be using rubber bands and of course the Shine&Jam gel. I'm gonna be needing more of it because it just gives me that slicky texture on the hair. So I am going to add Shine&Jam again. As you can see, I am starting with the right pattern. I just section the hair here, and then I am going to make sure that I grab it really tight and just make a knot out of it. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. So just keep watching because I'm gonna be crossing them over. It's gonna be like a crisscross kind of thing, but with also twisting. So keep watching till the end so that you're gonna see and learn how to do this step by step.
Taking a free tongue, I cry in a jar. Anything you want, girl, I go buy ya. Yeah, I swear I go buy ya. Relax, let nobody in no fool you. I like no konong, kiramundo bang one.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Baby, you not me lover. You know, you not me lover. Whatever. I wanna let you know, say me no go ever change by you. Because I dey look you every day. you no go even understand where I feel. Because baby, me and you now one. We not go ever stop this love of anyone. Because me mama don't tell me.
So as you can see, I am twisting the hair. I twist it and then cross it over to the other hair and grab it together, and then also use the rubber band and make sure that I've got a knot out of
You so now for ease the pain. Never change, cause then me, you me. Oh yeah. I no go leave you for nobody. I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever,
Back in Richie.
however,
Listen
you
this.
not me lover.
Let go, baby. No make like you not see me. You know say the love where I get are for you, baby girl. Where we start, you do all team for the pleasement. Now you they change for me. You they make I they cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you they make I they cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You did for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You they make I they cry, baby. You not look the same, baby. Shake down, make I they feel good. Good, make all the thing good.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, whenever, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover.
Yo, one Sunday when I grab from sleep. Yo, first of all, me I think about your fineness, your goodness, baby. Yo, the way you fine, I never see you kind yet. The way I see now, God know me heart. The one of me life, number one of me chat. I like you one thing, I behave like cat. The way I see you now, God know me heart. The one of me life, number one of me chat. I like you one thing, they behave like cat. People and they talk, got no listen, I liar. In a one, we can control me heart, yo. Taking a free tongue, I cry in a jar. Anything you want, girl, I go buy ya. Yeah, I swear I go buy ya. Relax, let nobody enough fool you. I like no kono, kira mundo ban one.
Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever.
So for the sides and the back pattern, I'm gonna be using this Eco Styler gel and apply it all over my hair. Make sure that I get this cute bun that I'm about to create.
You not me lover. You know, you not me lover. Whatever. I want let you know, say me no go ever change by you. Because I dey look you every day. You no go even understand where I feel. Because baby, me and you now one. We not go ever stop this love of anyone. Because me mama don't tell me say for make I left you. Me papa don't tell me say for make I left you. But no, I sit there with you because you not the one and the two. And go change everything that I feel for you, baby.
I'm just gonna use a head wrap and wrap my hair for about 10 minutes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this twist onto my knots. And we are going to use some bobby pins to secure it as well.
Nobody, I no go ever change for nobody. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever, however, you not me lover. Whenever, whatever.
You they change for me. You they make I they cry. Me party then they laugh me, baby. Why? Tell me why. Why you they make I they cry? Holy baby, you know say you not the one for me not for you. You did for me, baby girl, but this other time they just change. You they make I they cry, baby.
Here's the final result. I am so happy with this result. I am loving this style and I can't wait to go rock this style today. I just hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy filming it. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next one.